What's up mga paps? Happy rainy Friday. Pagpatuloy lang natin yung kwentuhan natin tungkol sa ideal duration of run. So if you're targeting performance gains, that is endurance and speed, ang ideal is 45 to 60 minutes for most weekday runs at an easy to moderate pace. And then you do one longer run per week around 60 to 90 minutes at an easy pace. This is to boost your aerobic capacity. And then you also do one speed interval session of around 20 to 40 minutes, including warm-up and cool-down. Ito naman is to improve your VO2 max and race pace. So, yun na lang muna for now. On our next video, pag-usapan naman natin yung ideal duration if you're targeting longevity and performance balance. Yun lang, happy Friday! Ang ingay dito, may event yung VinFast! Run, Arcovia!